Hello, my little pickles. Granny here, and today we're going to learn colors with Play-Doh Crazy Cuts. Are you ready? Here we go. Our first color is green, and I'm going to give this guy green hair. You want to see? Oh, look at all that hair. Wow. Oops. I think we went too long. You need a haircut. Clip, clip, clip. There we go. There we go. Much better. Our next color is blue. And you know that's Granny's favorite color. I'm going to give this guy blue hair. Have you ever had blue hair? Whoa! Look at all that blue hair. That's crazy. Well, he didn't like that, so I'm going to give him a cool haircut and shave the sides. Here we go. Oh. That looks cool. Our next color is orange, and our customer's orange too. Let's give her some pretty hair. Okay, here we go. There's your hair. I hope you like it. What? It's too tall? Well, I'll take care of that. Here we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Our next color is purple, and I'm going to give her purple hair. You're going to look pretty with purple hair. Here we go. Whoa! Look at that. That's long hair. You can't see a thing with those long bangs. Let me cut them for you. There we go. Now you can see. Our next color is red. Do you have red hair? Red's a pretty color. Okay, little fella, let's do it. Wow! Your hair turned out great. Let's just trim it a little bit. There we go. On this side too. Just a little bit. Looks perfect. Our last color is yellow, and I'm going to give this guy a fun hairdo. Oh, look at that. Yellow hair. That's so cool. Much better. Well, that's all for today. Goodbye, my little pickles. Don't forget to subscribe. What? It's too tall. Well, let me take care of that. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Did you see a yellow balloon in this video? If you did, leave yellow balloon emojis in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.